Mabeli. Welcome to another episode of Eswatini Arts Voices. This is a podcast powered by Eswatini National Council of Arts and Culture. Shothi kulena podcast ngilapho khona sibuka khona le arts and culture sector yethu ukuthi vele ngabe vele idevelop ngalendlela sifuna ngayo yini. What are the underlying issues siwakhulumise. I am your host Mxolisi Dlamini. Namhla ngihambi ngedwa ngihamba naye boss lomkhulu. He's a DJ, also events organizer lo watiwa kakhulu event by the name of Culo Mbekezeli Dlamini. Ngozi, how are you doing today?
I'm fine, my brother. How are you doing?
I'm also cool too. Siyabonga kakhulu nje ukusijoyina namhla kuna i-platform Eswatini Arts Voices podcast lapho khona sibuka khona ngayi art sector. Ngaba sikakujuthini sakushaya ema 1 2 ngoba phela nesenibantu bema meeting lamakhulu.
It's all about scheduling. Yeah, okay. Scheduling so yeah, but nje kuhlale khona vele ukuthi kujutha khona. Yeah, but nje asesikhona.
Senkhona ngosi siyabonga kakhulu. I'm aware ukuthi already kunama projects lo busy ngawe kakhulu kule landscape events organizing. Mhlawumbe nje as a first question ungasitshela Culo ukuthi how has the journey been from a young boy to where you are today? Botibona invele ufika lana Culo and ikhambeke kwabanjani kulendlela lenzela kangaka?
Hey, it's been quite a journey, man. It's been quite a journey. I think I remember ngikhumbula langa leqala decide nabangani bami ukuthi hayi man asost event man.
When was that?
Ngikhumbula like the back of my mind. It was in January. January 2015. Yeah, January 2015. Siphuma nje endlini ngisahlala eMbabane Boscom Corporation. Hlana gogo. So bekunebangani bami besisicethile vele high school. Sisamele ngena kubo university. So lo bafika ke bangani bami bathi ungivakashela nje hayi siyahlala sekuthiwa ayi sesiborekile asambe nisodlala kuthiwa iSnooker ipool. Yeah, sambe ke ngasihlala iSnooker. So munye wabangani bami athi hayo yathi nasinga hosta i-show sifake bo 500 song 3. Ngisho ukuthi isikhwalo lokungaphuma because by then besithanda i-deep house. Yeah, we used to be by then vele ngangidija le-deep house. Ngithi mina yathi vele man. So la bezidlala khona bekuthiwa kusetimele. So itimele kwakune wall fence lenze. Emva kwetimele kwakuba iSolanisi. Yabo. Sithi siyayihosta phi le show. Wathi hayi musinoyenza olaceleni. Futhi ke wena ke bayakwadi wena bhuti wakho lomdzala mfana mamkhulu umphathi la sambe siyocela. So the long and short of it waqala kanjalo. That's how actually we started, and then I think it was called our first show basing 3. It was called Music Unites Sessions, and then kwaqala kanjalo. And then the first one it didn't do well. Waphuma munye umngani wethu wathi hayi asikendi kahle la imali yaphela kule project. So sasala sing2 saqhubeka ke nalona sing2, but ke kwana naye bekafundza South Africa. So baba sibamthatha eUniversity South Africa, mina bangithatha eUniversity la kaNgwane. Sasingasala ke mina ngichubeka nema shows ke vele kulo mnyaka I think the following kulo mnyaka yebo ngathathwa iSolanisi yangena entertainment manager wakhona. So waqala ke lapho lokhu hosta, doing events, being a resident DJ, gaining popularity. Yeah, waqala lapho basically.
Yes.
Yeah. So basically ngilo, and then fast forward to 2022. I think it was after COVID. 2022 thina ke vele ku COVID sasinebhadi ngoba kwakuthiwa ema entertainment industry bekuvulwa onke lama industry kusalele yethu. So one day uyasibita CEO ema event organizers, uyasibita CEO Mlangeni uthi Mlangeni hey buyani la hey nami sengqongqothile sengiyile ngawungqongqotha ngaya eParliament ngaya ka-NDMA vele nje hayi abakuthembisi asenicabange emacebo ukuthi le industry ngayivula kanjani le industry nathi sitawukoze vele sihleta sisebenze kude lokukhona like there was literally entertainment was zero income.
Yeah.
Zero, nothing for a good year and a half, if not 2 years. Angathi achubeka sengizela COVID. So back better. So saqala kalapho and then we created ideas. Yabo sasenda boma podcast, senda boma DJ yabona. So give me kwaba nekuthi hayi man, let's make this thing bigger. How can I make it bigger? Let's have cashless events. Yes, we did have cashless events, no bushfire. But you know, bushfire is now international. But let's have a cashless event, let our more of ukuthi yalakhaya. Uyabona sisebenzisa nama platforms alakhaya. Mhlawumbe nasipresenta kona kutawu uyabo so and then I started selling it to companies uyabo lapho ke bese sengiphumile so la sengisebenza so I think after a year or two 2024 I got an email, actually I got a call. Let's see sicela uvele la officeini sithola i-idea because sicabanga ukuthi singayibukisa. That was MTN Fintech.
Okay.
So yaqala kanjalo ke Momo Experience. Yeah, that is how Momo Experience started. The same year 2022 bese bawavulile vele ama-sector ke some of them nakala ka-entertainment sebavulile nakhumbula kahle kwaqala kwathiwa 500 ungena 500 kwabuya kwathiwa 1000 kwathiwa 1.5 so mina decided to do i-Eswatini Farmers Market ngithi nje ngiyazama yes part of it actually most part of it was inspired by bushfire. There was this event bendiwa eMilling, Albert Milling, bekuthiwa i-Pop Sunday.
Okay.
Yeah.
I remember Pop Sunday.
So I just wanted to play something between these two festivals. I wouldn't call it Pop Sunday Festival. It was an event, continuous event, every month. So this was also a festival, the Bushfire. So I wanted to play something with these two events. That's how the Farmers Market was born. The Farmers Market, and it did so well, and its first edition very well. I think the hype lenayo nyalo yakheka kule qala edition seemingly nayo iMomo Experience le hype lenayo nyalo yaqala kule first edition because the first edition I think it was so unique because it was the first ever a festival ephela ka-10 beyiphela nga-10 first iMomo Experience ekuqala, but you know the thousands and thousands that came through vele kwethusa and vele ngalo 10 savala ngci kwavele kwacima isound yabo kwaphela vele. So those are the uniqueness of both festivals aka-Melting Sea.
Ingabe nje coming to the modern world culo nyalo nje kulesikhathi sanyalo, what are some of the challenges lenofacako as events organizers and how we're trying to mitigate them?
Okay, kulesikhathi sesiphila kuso nyalo people are very cautious about kuphila because of what happened with COVID. So now everybody wants to invest. So for not investor, lana also for not investor, and you wouldn't channel a person who investor la. Nasa advise advisors zakhe. So now the biggest challenge we are seeing a lot of people having my events bayavumbuka lapha bayavumbuka. For us it's a good thing, but it would have been great. They have the passion. You understand? Because entertainment industry needs you to have the passion. Ayidzingi ukuthi u-expect ukuthi kusasa ngidaba i-millionaire, kusasa ngidaba i-billionaire. No. You need to ka-entertainment yamhlana over 10 years. So uthi akuyalunga. But itawugcina kulungile. But now you find ukuthi labantu laba ukhanzela ukuthi sebantu lama-investments abo bathi ayazingela ka-entertainment kuyagcwala most is quick money. They don't know the expenses behind this successful event. They will see thousands and thousands and thousands uthi uyaya kulo muntu bakutshele ukuthi ngendi-loss. Uyabona? Wena lapho usho ukuthi hayi man angifika kuculo man kuculo nginet 100 rand utavela ngiphi. No, kuculo is under a loss. We understand that because we're still building this thing ukuthi igcine profitable to everyone involved la kuyo kuyakha. So that is the biggest challenge we have now because kwawona lama event promoters lavumbukako now they are making ukuthi lama fans lekumele ngabe sesiwa-channel thina for the past 10 years sekahlukana ekhathi nya ngoba ndokubekisela I'll give you a typical example. Mhla ka-27 June we have Momo Experience. Same day 27 June qhamukela omunye athi mina ngiletha Burna Boy anthi unemali. So what will the crowd do? Now the crowd knows ukuthi no, Momo Experience is a very big festival in a reputation length. But here you are bringing Burna Boy. Hey, maybe it's the first and last time I see Burna Boy. We understand. So you uba nalento leyo ukuthi eish ngenda njani. So who is going to win now? Believe me, so the Burna Boy is going to win. Yabona. And then now you have this old festival that has been pushing for years, trying to make a crowd yakhe. Now this festival on that year doesn't do well. Yabo. And then uvakuthi festival say cancel. Yabona, because of such things ukuthi sesibaningi la ka events and sibancane lesiphuma out. We understand. So lama challenges in this modern world ngiloko lo ukuthi people now are cautious, they want to invest their money. People nyalo abasaphathi sebafuna ama-investor. So lokhu investor kwabo yes kuyana la ka-entertainment kubo event organizing benze ama-events abo, but you can't say ukuthi if these people can come in the mentality of ukuthi we have the passion, or rather if you have the money, come to the Events Association and say, Events Association, I have 200,000 I want to invest into events. So Tsine, as Events Association, will give you somebody who's going to guide you. Yeah, but okay, this is a person who when my events we organize. He's going to guide you so that this thing is not only a one-off thing, it's continuous. It would sort of benefit forever. Yeah.
No, I think for my next question is vile phela ukuthi na kutsinza nje ngizabe Momo Experience.
Yeah.
Ngathi sidabe sisho phela lapha sithi share phela sesane. What more can we expect? What are you looking for wena Culo in terms of your personal growth in this event? Because ngiyabona lo nyaka phinze ibuye ngemandla iline up ivuthiwe ngosiyami. Ngabe nje kuxwayisa wona maswati ukuthi phela to support on the day.
No, this year I think this year it's going to be one of the biggest Momo experiences we've ever had because unama artists lamanye besides Bosem Deep you just mentioned Weshela, we brought back the legends in the soil. The people are going crazy. Actually labanye bavele bathi awusale niyekele sezivele and the ticket says do say that because people nindlela bathenga ngayo ba excited nge the soil. But you know we are bringing a top African superstar for Momo Experience, and I think the longer live El Jablile, we're bringing Loiso. Loiso is coming through with a massive band. You know, Loiso is an African. This one is a world superstar. So you even bona nangana ma contract lo niketwa wona nje ukuthi no lena is superstar. Yeah. Uyabona now uniketwa I technical rider in 8 pages. technical rider, learn 8 ages. This is a
Yeah,
superstar. This is a world superstar,
Yeah.
and he's doing sold out shows all over the world. His R&B, Afro pop music is taking over. Same time, you're bringing in Bopolocha with the massive band.
Yes.
We also bring in Bondoni, Spiondoni,
Yes.
with a massive band too. We bring in Wosibo Manzini. It's gonna be it's one of gonna be the biggest.
Yeah, man.
We bring in Bo Sanchez, the cultural part of it. Bo Sanchez will be there. So for me, I'm very excited this year because I think for me it's gonna be too musical. Noma kungafika umuntu wathi uletha Burna Boy.
Yeah,
But protect this one because this one has the potential ukuthi in the next 10 years utamletha Burna Boy bese usuyambona. So yeah, for me it's basically that. So this year's Momo experience, if you love music, if you love instruments, if you love quality, this is your year. This is what Eswatini has been asking for. And if you bring household artists like Loiso, a world superstar, and then you just say Maswata ngapata the 200 rand, 250 rand, Bambame score ngapata the 180. You understand that it's these people are not aiming at making money. They are promoting the art industry. You understand? Actually, because actually unemployment rate is simekabi in Swaziland. So ngiwo lamakhono latasita lamakhono ba creative like bo arts and culture bo banibanyana bo sports kunamakhono kumele ukuthi nyalo. If the government doesn't see it ukuthi yathi kuvula imisebenzi kulukhuni, let's invest kulama creatives kulamakhono labaphona nguNkulunkulu. They will, I'm telling you, a certain percentage will be wrong. See a pass in the unemployment. Yeah.
Utekayo ngosi ungikhumbula nje indaba yakhe bayethe deliver the 12th official opening speech from the throne. Team yakhe beyithi let's create you opportunities for the youth. So from a curious mind because I think this question lengidayibuta ngile ngayiva before and those curious minds, especially here in Eswatini as an events organizer, how often do you make money through hosting events? And please, if there is a worst case scenario, please relate.
Me, I'll be honest with you. I think nangabe ngile ngayakha imali, I think angibona ukuthi ngiyafika 5,000 or 10,000 after event. I'm one person, I think I'm one person who believes ukuthi angifuni ukudla emandlala abanye abantwana. If I've employed 300 people to run this festival properly, I make sure ukuthi immediately you can ask anyone who works with me. I don't take more than 5 days kubhadala abantu. Immediately pay the festival, I count, I do everything, I pay everyone, non-negotiable. Angikude ukuthi ngidawubuya ngicele ukuthi sengicela kwehlisa imali yakho. No, I don't do that. I just pay you your money. Every supplier, every person, every stakeholder, literally everyone. Ikakhulu ke lamaswati ngicala ngawo vele. Because ngale ukuthi the moment these people are happy about me paying them back, is the more they pray for the success of this festival. Always do something that I afford and always hire an artist that I afford. Ungayarishi nje ukuthi hayi ngifise ukuthi kube naculo lami, ngifise ukuthi kube na smooth drum ngiyabekisa. But lama rates alabamvu labo award. Uyabona, what if labantu irate yabo ngile event yakho yonke ibudget. Uyabona, ngiyabekisa. But lanza abantu lotawuthi na ubuya kusasa ukhona nawe ukuthi nangengcela lapha esitolo ngithatha ilofu yesinkwa ngiphathele abantwana endlini. Kulubuhlungu ukuthi utawusucitha kwento i-event bababona abantu nabafika abantu fana 30 uhlanga nje ukuthenga ama-chips ama-nicknates R1 ngalokuthi utifake under pressure waletha abantu lonke usakhona kwabhadala noma wena ama-commitments. So lesikusho nje thini njengoba basho livangele emlangeni ukuthi asibhadaleni ama-creatives asobhadaleni but akuvunyelwane kusayinwe lama-contract leyo MOU konke kontiwe kahle ngema-paperwork ma-negotiations endiwe before you sign anything nivumelane ukuthi ndawubhadalana kanje nala kule contract kusho ukuthi worst case scenario if I don't do well can I settle for this kuyenteka uyakubhala la contract kulezivumelwano uyabona ukuthi worst case scenario liyana liyahusha namhla liyahusha bantu abadecide akuhlala endlini khamba gesi i-event ayiseyaphuta kucala uyabona those things uthi gathe ukuthi angibese ngisakhona kwakha le mali uyabo ngibese ngicela ukuthi ku-worst case scenario ngibhadale 50% uyabo so those things are done so yeah basically lokho.
Asiyabonga. Njengoba usho ukuthi line up yakho una over 15 weMaswati. Lapha ka Arts and Culture ke ikhona ke i-sound system yema millions it's a full sound system lengavala yonke le venue yakho emanzini mhlawumbe ikhala kuzekuyosa engabe nje le sound system ize kanjani le difficult kini ma events organizers because siyathi ukuthi hiring a sound here in Swaziland it will cost even over 100,000 per event. Angabe sekunisite kanjani ukuthi sekunana i-sound system?
Nalapho sikhuta libayethe ngoba i-vision yayo ngonyama lo ukuthi lama creatives andlondlobane naye i-sound system yakhulunywa eParliament ukuthi sound bhalwe eParliament 3.8 million kubhalwa awuyatheleka hayi ithelekile Nkosi ithelekile I for one ngile ngayoyiboka no hayi ngiyo nalama brand lathengiyo so kufika kwayo sicale nje kuthenini ayikhethi uthatha imisebenzi yalaba bebasolo basiprovide ngesound
True.
ayikhethi into ekwendani lokho actually yona into promoter wona lama creatives uyabona alakhaya ukuthi hey nange mathulusi benikhala ngawo sibuka nje ukuthi kona nje kulomnyaka lo wendlulile sikuvulwe studio saka Arts and Cultures thina ke siyita noma nini awulana kusekhaya siyita nje kagqwele Maswati uyabuya lokuthi ngaphungapi khona afuna ukurecord uyabo nyalo ke sekufike atawusaqedza lokhu recorder asinyelo sengifuna kulonje seyithengiwe ke system nyalo ke sekutawuvela ukuthi lapha ubhala incwadi ngikhumbula amagama akhe minister my envelo le sound athi minister waze wangibita kaqolo lami yabona ke lena ke qolo lami le lena ke qolo lami lena waqasha nje Maswati lenca 10 ngiyakuthembisa qolo lami yangena incwadi yasho njalo ngiyakunika qolo lami ungangibulaleli nje kuphela usite kakhulu because go hire sound it's very very expensive you can go as far as about 200,000 for such my events ethu nje it's very kadula kakhulu but ke nyalo awukhanza lokuthi kubo bona nabe sicasha kibo siye sithi yathi nyalo sitawutana naku yini lesingaphulelela kona masingeta naku lesathekela kona uNkulumente ka Arts and Culture nelitiko la Arts and Culture ukuthi mane kwehlela ama-fees so vele it's coming in handy kakhulu le sound and it's sibonga kakhulu kuyingwenyama sibonga kakhulu kuyi-ministry nayo i-council ya-Arts and Culture ukuthi igcine iyende it's a huge investment lekumele ukuthi nathi siyi-protect for lena kunga nesitukulwane singayikhanza nasiyiphethe kahle. So mina nje ngibonga kakhulu ngiyabonga nje. I-pressure yehle kakhulu angifuni ukuphosisa. Ngisakayisebenzisa inoko ke but nami nje ngizathi awubhala incwadi ngithe ngicela bangilekelele la ngiqashe ngakhe wema-artist
Siyabonga kakhulu mbukeli njengoba Shido umlangeni uShido wathi-ke lena sound ayisiyo nani phela egrantiswa nami ke ngifakaze ngoba bengikhona nami mayilonjwa lapha ayisiyo nani egrantisa lena is part of the development program wena casha abahlabeli balakhaya. This sound system is for local creatives. Wacashe kule event bakho. It is there to create opportunities for these creatives. Bacashe bengikutheni babhadale kahle futhi emva lokubuya ukuthatha isound wami bewenza event yakho. This is Eswatini As Voices podcast. I'm your host Mxolisi Dlamini bengihleli naye eculo lami Mbekezeli. Siyabonga kakhulu babukeli njengoba sashido phela Gijimani Maswatini niyomkhuthatha Gijimani niyomsupporta khona kuMomo Experience kuyona inyanga lelandzelako khona lapha eMankel's Country Club. Njengoba nathi ke bezivame ukuthi basijikise ngabo 12 ebusuku basivalele bacishe gas kepha lo nyaka siyawuprove akusekuse 3 kusuke sekusile emalangeni only 2 hours ukuthi kube ngidoni but kusuke sekusile. Siyathemba sitabonana khona abakhona Arts and Culture ne podcast yakhe khona lapha kuMomo Experience. We will see you there.